Hello friends, welcome to the channel Law and Government Job Exam Cluster. Today in this video we are going to discuss the vacancies notified by the DDA, that is Delhi Development Authority, for the post of Welfare Inspector. Before going further, I would request you to kindly subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon and like button. Also post your comment and queries in the comment section. DDA, that is Delhi Development Authority, which is situated at Vikas Sadan, INA, New Delhi 110023, has invited application for engaging 10 consultant of the level of welfare inspector in the grade pay of 4600 from retired officials of Government of India or state government, central autonomous bodies on contractual basis as consultant in personal welfare department, initially for a period of 1 year, extendable further depending upon the requirement of DDA and performance of the candidate. The upper age limit of candidate is 63 years as on 5th of May 2021. The department name is Personal Department. The name of the post is Welfare Inspector. There are 10 vacancies. For the minimum qualification is graduate and experience of staff welfare and administrative matters, including other allied works. Minimum grade pay at the time of retirement should be Rs 4600 or level 7 in the 7th Pay Commission. Eligibility criteria: the retired officials up to 63 years of age who have excellent service record and are physically fit will be eligible. A retired official against whom a vigilance case or a departmental proceeding or criminal prosecution is contemplated or pending at the time of his or retirement will not be considered. A retired official who has been a member of any political party after his or retirement shall not be eligible. ACRs, APRs for the period up to 5 years preceding his or retirement will be considered. 4 out of 5 ACR APRs should have at least been graded as very good. Officials having higher better APR grading will be preferred. So what is an instruction given to the candidate? The candidate shall send their application in the prescribed format by email by 5 p.m. of 21st of May 2021. They shall fill up the form duly typed, paste photograph in the space provided in this prescribed application form attached, put specimen signature in the space provided, and then send the scanned copy of the signed application form duly filled in PDF or JPEG format at email ID ddpersonal personnel3@dda.org.in. Please do not enclose any document while sending the scanned copy of the application form at the above mentioned email ID. The applicant is required to produce the original supporting document at the time of interaction if called. The date of interaction will be informed to the shortlisted candidate by email and notified on the DDA website also. Sending application through email does not necessarily mean that the applicant shall be called for interaction. Only those candidates will be called for interaction who found suitable as per the criteria devised by the DDA, keeping in view the requirement of the work to be carried out. In this regard, no communication either by email or phone etc. shall be entertained. No TADA will be paid for attending the interaction. This advertisement is signed by Commissioner Personnel of DDA, that is Delhi Development Authority. So this is an opportunity for the 10 vacancies in the post of Welfare Inspector, and whosoever is eligible can apply for this post through the email ID. You have to just take out the printout of this application format which is attached in the page number 3-4, and then you have to sign your application with the date and place, fill all the details, paste your photograph with the signature and send it on the email ID, that is ddpersonal3@dda.org.in, maximum by 25th of May 2021 till 5 p.m. that is 1700 hours. Thank you friends, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.